Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Bhavna. So the main intention of my today's video is to discuss the influence of oral health with our general health. So it's a very important topic, so I hope all of you watch the full video. Uh, what is the most common cause of death all over the world? Cardiovascular disease, that is the diseases of the heart as well as our blood vessels. So this includes heart attack, stroke, and angina and so on. So why does that have any role with our oral health? Relatively recent research, though research has been going on for a long time, more and more concrete evidences are now erupting which link our oral health with our cardiovascular health. So in 2017, one of the research stated that almost 50% of the heart attacks or cardiovascular events are triggered by dental infections. This is a very hard hitting finding and we must all take note of it. Almost 50% of your heart attacks could be due to our dental infections. So why did it take so long for the scientists to figure such a fact? Because dental diseases are silent. They don't cause pain till the last stage. Almost 90% of our dental infections are silent killers. So whether take our dental decay, that is decay is the small black spots, or the in the last stage you get pain, that is dental decay. And the other main dental infection is our gum diseases, so the bleeding in the gums, or loose teeth, mobile teeth, bad breath, all this is the gum diseases. So these two are the main dental infections. In both the cases, one way of the bacteria entering our body is by when we are eating. The second way is, say when we have a dental infection, if it's in the teeth, it can, if it becomes a full-blown infection, it starts entry into our, through the bloodstream into our heart and the lungs. Same way when if we are having a gum infection, once it starts bleeding, the bacteria gets a portal of entry into our bloodstream. So imagine some infection which is continuously there for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for months and years. So this dental infection is a source of complete continuous supply of bacteria to our body. So this is the main reason we must take note of it. So in this, what is entering our body? Either the bacteria itself, or the toxins that are produced by the bacteria, or the inflammation that these toxins produce. These are the triggering factors for the systemic infections in our body. So we must take note of this, and we must start taking extra care of our mouth so that we can avoid several other diseases in the body. So there are around 600 different species of oral bacteria in our mouth, and there are more than 100 million bacteria in 1 milligram of plaque. Plaque is the sticky yellow or white substance in the teeth, or the when it becomes hard, it's called calculus. So we all take so much care to eat healthy food. So just imagine you make a very good food, wash it, clean it, and eat it from a very dirty plate. That is what is happening to most of us. We are taking care to eat healthy food, good food, keeping our plate clean, but unfortunately the main entry of our food, which is our mouth, we are not taking care to keep it clean. So that is what is happening to most of us. So at least now we should realize the how important our mouth is for our general health, and make sure there is not, as we have to keep it as clean as possible to remain healthy. So as discussed, just I will go through all the other diseases that are now being linked to oral health. So first and foremost, as I said, heart attacks, atherosclerosis, that is the plaques which slowly develop into heart attack, strokes, rheumatoid arthritis, diabetics. Diabetics is now proven that dental disease has a definite link to diabetics. Both, if diabetics, you have diabetics, you can have chance of having dental diseases, and same way if you are having gum diseases, automatically your risk for diabetes increases. And pregnancy, those who are pregnant and have gum diseases, they have high risk of getting low birth weight babies or premature babies. The other diseases that are now slowly being linked is rheumatoid arthritis, cancers, different type of cancers, then non-alcoholic liver diseases, pneumonias, and other diseases like blood pressure are also now being linked to oral disease. So I hope all of you at least now try to consider the body as a whole, not the mouth separately and the heart separately. We are all, the whole body is functioning as one unit, and it's a very simple concept that all the food, our source of energy, is going through our mouth. So keeping this mouth clean is most essential for our full health. So let's all take it more seriously. Even doctors, those who see diseases, please advise your patient to take care of their oral health. So I hope this video is useful for all of you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.